yes, small businesses are paying a price from COVID. Kids are paying a price from COVID too.
Councilmember Hans Riemer is concerned schools are not being prioritized when it comes to Montgomery County's reopening strategy. MCPS has been offering virtual learning since March and will continue until at least January 31st. Riemer supports this move, but also worries about the long-term effects of keeping students away from the classroom.
We've got to start making school a higher priority.
In a letter to county residents, Riemer explained why he was the only council member to vote against allowing permitted bars and restaurants to sell alcohol after 10 p.m. If late-night socializing causes more viral spread, it will be harder and less safe for our teachers and families to reopen schools, Riemer wrote.
So really, we need to be thinking about how do we get the case number, the daily case number down, lower than it is now. And if we could get it lower than it is now, then it would be safer to open the schools.
I asked the county executive to respond to Riemer's concerns.
There is no perfect way to do this, and everything we do has risk. Anything I open up, anything.
Riemer acknowledges that small business owners are suffering financially.
They're getting killed right now. I mean, this is the worst crisis of our lifetimes when it comes to restaurant sector and entertainment venues. Every time we open up a little bit more, we are painting ourselves into a corner when it comes to reopening schools.
On August 27th, Governor Larry Hogan made an announcement that shocked county leaders.
Every single county school system in the state of Maryland is now fully authorized to begin safely reopening.
Do you think the county or the public schools have received enough support at the state level to?
No, I don't. The governor has really passed the buck. I don't think the state has provided guidance or assistance that we need to successfully reopen. I think the counties are really much more on their own than, they should be. I think the state should be working with us on strategies to hold down the virus and how to safely reopen, what kind of measures are most effective in schools. How do you keep teachers safe? How do you keep students safe?
Some Montgomery County private schools have already reopened for in-person learning. But Riemer is frustrated the state is not collecting contact tracing data from cases that arise in private schools.
I think that's really regrettable. I think we've got a number of private schools that are open. We don't know really what the lessons learned are.
As cases spike around the country, Riemer is becoming less optimistic about the possibility schools will reopen in the winter.
What we really need is the vaccines. When we know that it's safe, when we know that it's effective, who's going to get it first? And I definitely think we need to prioritize school reopening in that.
Reporting for MyMCMedia, I'm Deirdre Byrne.